Subscribe to our channel. Breville 800JEXL Juice Fountain Elite Review. Are you looking for high-speed juicer with professional-grade construction and functionality to simply make delicious fruit-based smoothies and fruit and vegetable juices at home? 800JEXL Juice Fountain Elite by Breville provides a reliable performance and durability for folks who want to produce unbearably flavorful fruit and vegetable juice at home. Why choose 800JEXL Juice Fountain Elite by Breville? Is the Breville 800JEXL Juice Fountain Elite worth it? At the end of the day, the Breville 800JEXL may well be the juicer you've been looking for. This model packs professional-grade construction and functionality into a consumer-grade package that is both easy to operate and affordable. Between its core performance and its durability, the Breville 800JEXL certainly meets all of my standards when it comes to producing flavorful juice while remaining functionally reliable. If you're still wondering if this juicer is right for you, then take my recommendation to heart. I've always been picky when it comes to kitchen appliances, and yet, I liked the Breville 800JEXL from day one onward. The Juice Fountain Elite is best suited for folks who intend to use their juicer regularly. Most juicers take up valuable countertop space, so it's worthwhile to purchase a juicer if you want to use its juice as a source of concentrated nutrients. Its titanium-reinforced disc and Italian-made micro-mesh filter basket are optimally able to juice any fruit or vegetable. To learn more about this juicer's outstanding specifications, features, and performance, watch this video and discover why this juicer has become a cornerstone in my kitchen. Breville 800JEXL Juice Fountain Elite. Pros and cons. Pros: dishwasher safe and easy to clean. Very good hard produce yield and great juice quality. Titanium blades won't lose edge for a long time. Cons: subpar juice yield with leafy greens. Bit expensive. High speed settings sometimes cause leakage in bowl. Breville 800JEXL Juice Fountain Elite by features: juice quality 9.8, performance 9.7, easy to use 9.8, easy to clean 9.7, value for money 9.7. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Commercial performance. Breville 800JEXL Juice Fountain Elite with a larger motor, larger pulp container, and higher-end material construction is undeniably an excellent juicer and a great option for someone who is willing to pay top dollar for the sleekest and most stylish kitchen appliances. Unique extraction system. The Breville juicer's titanium-reinforced disc and Italian-made micro-mesh filter basket, with over 40,000 filtering pores, are made out of stainless steel and are designed for optimum juice and nutrient extraction at shortened prep time. Shortened prep time and extra large containers. The unique 3 inches extra wide chute feed allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting. A juicer machine features a 35.2 fluid ounces juice chug with froth separator. 3.2 quarts. Pulp container allows to juice to your heart's content. Convenient storage and easy to clean. The power cord wraps around its feet under the base, and the pulp container is detachable, making the blender easy to store. The juicer cover, stainless steel filter bowl, puree disc, and juice chug are all safe to go into your dishwasher. Warranty and accessories. Breville 800JEXL comes with a 1-year limited product warranty. Power 1000 watts, voltage 110 to 120 volts. Included accessories: 35.2 fluid ounces juice chug with froth separator, 3.2 quarts, pulp container, and easy clean brush. Based on over 4,825 customer reviews and an overall 4.7-star rating on Amazon. 800JEXL Juice Fountain Elite by Breville maintain high-speed functionality to collect every last drop of fresh and flavorful juice. Here's what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. Absolutely love it. I have had a lot of juicers over the years, and this one blows them all away. It is super fast, and pulp is super dry. You get way more than twice the juice. I juiced a lot of veg, 2 pitchers, and the pulp container was not even half full, yet there was no pulp in the juice. I truly love this juicer, in every way. I will never go back to the lower end ones that cost about the same anyway, oh brother, or the expensive, slow, hard to use and clean ones. Wish I had this in the beginning of my juicing ventures 20 years ago. Says Donna. 5 stars. Awesome. Worth the money. This is my first time juicing. I couldn't possibly ask for more. Easy to set up, easy to use, and extremely easy to clean. It seems to suck out as much juice as possible, because what's left inside is completely dry. I have had no issues, and I hope it stays that way. So far so good, now it just has to stand the test of time. Says Jeanette Nicole. 5 stars. Just the best. I never review stuff, but after 4 years, I can say, this juicer is the best. It's made my life healthier and happier, and the customer service is off the chain. I stuck the pusher in my dishwasher on a high heat setting once by mistake, and it expanded, looking all crazy, not fitting into the mouth anymore. I called customer service, they replaced it immediately, for free. Replaced my basket now, it's so awesome. There's just nothing bad about this. It's working perfectly, after years of daily use. I wish all companies and appliances were like this one. Says Anya Nagpal. 5 stars. I am loving my renewed health, and the vitality I feel. I love this juicer. The Breville 800 works great. And it looks great on our countertop, where we proudly show it off. My wife and I start our day with a variety of juice recipes, using fresh veggies from the farmer's market, here in Placerville, California. Including celery, whole beets, whole apples, carrots, cucumbers, and many more. This machine can handle anything you throw at it. No more brain fog for us, feel energized within minutes. My relatives are sick of hearing me talk about it. That's why I'm telling you. I hope you enjoy your juicer as much. Says Mike, from Placerville. 3 stars. Pieces of fruit and veggies left over. I give a good amount of pulp to my neighbors too, for their gardens. But, on days when I wash the pulp down the drain, there are good-sized pieces of carrot, celery, apple, the juicer blows out without juicing. I like the unit, it was a step above my previous juicer, but for the $300 plus price tag, I would rather have purchased a masticator. On a cleaning scale, from 1 to 5, there are edges that will get you, if you're not careful. It's a solid 3 all around. Says Michael Cordy. 1 star. Broke one day after using. This model was always my favorite for years. I went through 2 over the years. They both broke. I am relentless, so I just purchased this stainless steel one a few days ago. I was so excited, I ordered a ton of organic fruits and veggies from Whole Foods. Well, within 1 day of using the juicer, it just shut off and died. I am angry and very disappointed. I returned it immediately. So, now I am left with a fridge full of perishables and no juicer. Says Sandra D. Rutty. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.